Hi everyone, and a warm welcome back again. This is Anthony from Celebrity Infinity. Yes, Celebrity Infinity. I'm privileged and blessed to end this epic journey from Miami to Goa. Yes, we are in Goa now. Well, I thank the Almighty Lord for blessing abundantly and for our safe return to back home in our homeland. And I also pray and wish my other fellow Goan crew members who are still stranded on other cruise ships for their safe return home very soon. Well, we have crossed 2 oceans, 2 seas, 1 Suez Canal, and 3 different cruise ships. God is great, and we will meet our family very soon. Well, after completing all the formalities, we are here, and I'm also thrilled to see our loved ones. I thank Celebrity Infinity management team and the working crew members, the frontliners, who took care of us for a short period of time. After disembarking from Anthem of the Seas, we boarded Celebrity Infinity and headed towards Goa to meet our loved ones. A big shout out goes to all my subscribers, all my followers, my motivators. Thank you very much for your support during this period of time, and the one who have prayed for our safe return. God bless you all. Just wanted to say, life is beautiful, and we will be stronger. We will go back and work again for these beautiful companies. Well, I just wanted to say thank you very much for your feedback, for the wonderful comments you gave on the videos. With your motivation, I carried on this epic journey. On a last note, I just wanted to say this is going to be my final video of this epic journey from Miami to Goa. Yes, we are indeed in Goa, our home. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you all.
milik polon ku salau satlo Paulo hao Paulo Goya hao Paulo.
Yes, at last I'm home, and I hope you have enjoyed the ride with me. Well, I just wanted to say, do keep following me as I will come up with something new. Till then, thank you very much, stay safe, and God bless you all.